Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to fix battery drain problem or turn on battery saver in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 5G. So if you want to fix battery drain problem or turn on battery saver in your device Samsung Galaxy A53 5G, you can do it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this video and you will learn how to fix battery drain problem or turn on battery saver in your device.